WINGMAKERS is a step on humanity's path to the 21st century breakthrough, known as the Grand Portal, the irrefutable scientific discovery of the human soul. The WINGMAKERS materials are catalysts for the expansion of the evolutionary consciousness, a fragment of which is inside each of us. These materials consist of a collection of enigmatic and mystical art, music, philosophy, new physics, and a remarkable story brilliantly integrated from an anonymous creator known simply as James. James has offered the content of WINGMAKERS as a navigational plan to humanity that describes a mission so grand that it is only now, in the beginning of the 21st century, being depicted. Throughout human history, the WINGMAKERS have been known by various titles, including the Shining Ones, Kukulkan, Angelic Hosts, and the Elohim. Whatever their name, they are referred to in these works as members of the Central Race, the original race of beings that evolved in the centermost galaxies of the universe. As our universe expanded, these beings exported the master DNA templates from the more evolved ancient galaxies to those that were in development or incubation. Within the Central Race is a teaching order whose name is Lyricus. Lyricus is a mystical order of teachers who are responsible for the evolutionary progress of the human species and, above all, for helping humanity scientifically discover the true structure of the human soul and apply this discovery in order to create a more profound culture and noble purpose for our species. Lyricus could be likened to the Jesuits or the Tibetan monks of the Central Race. They bear responsibility for shepherding a humanoid species to the Grand Portal and thereby indoctrinating the species as a whole into the broader network of the intelligent, interconnected universe. This undertaking demands an expansive agenda, encompassing genetics at its core, and 6 additional disciplines that collectively propel humanity to discover its own animating life force and the subtle vibratory fields in which it operates. Lyricus employs a variety of sensory data streams to awaken a species, ranging from music, books, art, science, and mythology. Generally, these are isolated expressions, but as the species draws closer to the Grand Portal, the sensory data streams are increasingly integrated, encoded, and represent potent forces for the expansion of consciousness. WINGMAKERS is an expression of an encoded sensory data stream that is designed to help in the awakening process of those individuals incarnating in ever-increasing numbers over the next 3 generations. The WINGMAKERS sites, each of the 7, will be translated in a specific order. Each site carries a central theme that is connected to the 7 disciplines of Lyricus. These 7 disciplines, collectively, represent the knowledge system that will make possible the discovery of the Grand Portal. WINGMAKERS.com is part of the mythological expression of Lyricus that typically accompanies its first exterior expression within a species. It announces its initial approach as it treads softly among the species to which it serves. It is the symbolic hand of our future selves, offering each of us an inner map leading to our true identity, not only as individuals, but also as a species. We have only to receive this map, study it, and allow it to recode our innate spiritual quest. As surely as light draws the eye in a sea of darkness, so too do these materials draw the soul.